Gentlemen, I wanted to hop back on and give you guys a little bit of an update on the 1023, 1025, and 2025 stop use and stop sale order that came out from John Deere. Update, more information, you can decide. Before we get into that, I do want to say thank you to Tractor Time with Tim, who did shout out the channel and give proper attribution to me. You know, a channel his size could easily have steamrolled it, just taken the information and ran with it. But like a true gentleman, he did give attribution, and I wanted to say thank you for that. And now to the meat and potatoes of the thing. I know in my last video I said give your dealer a couple of days, let them figure this out, and then then start pounding them. I've seen quite a few comments on my video, on Green Tractor Talk, on Facebook, of people not doing that and pounding their dealership. Cool. Why cool? Because I did it as well. Guilty as charged. I went on shop.deere.com and ordered it for pickup at my local dealership, it being a replacement front brake bell crank. And much to my chagrin, it's actually just the old part. I went ahead and thought I was going to outsmart the system. If the recall is up to 2022, I ordered the front brake bell crank for a model year 23 and forward. When I got to the dealership, ordering online was really fantastic. I ordered it, and 3 minutes later, I got an email saying your part is ready for pickup. So shout out there. That was really nice. However, when I got there, I knew immediately it was not the right part. Now, I ordered the proper part number, LVU31387. And I ordered it for a model 23 and forward. But when I got there, I could see that it was the same cast aluminum zinc alloy pot metal that the old part was. My machine is a 2021, I think. And this was the updated piece for updated machines. However, I could see by looking at it, however, I'm not a metallurgist, so I actually had a magnet out. And this is where my assumptions came in. I'm assuming the updated part is made out of steel, so I had a magnet and I touched it to the part whilst still in the bag, while still at the parts desk, and it didn't stick to it. It's still that cast aluminum. Parts guy must have thought I was a real crazy person. Again, guilty as charged. So I said, thank you, but no thank you. This is the wrong part. He said, what do you mean? You ordered the right part number, and it is the right part number. However, the part is the same. So, which brings up another question. Why does the recall stop at model 2022? If it's the same part number, same metallurgy, I don't know. That's for Deere to answer. So the point of this video, at this point, there is no commercially available replacement for the front brake bell clamp crank. All that being said, stop ordering the part or what you think could be the replacement fix for this from Deere. At this point, there is no commercially available replacement for our parts. If you go on shop.deere.com and you look, and it's just this kind of CAD looking drawing of a part, you can't tell what the metal is. And I'm telling you right now, it's made out of cast aluminum. The same parts that's failing. Now, if you have a 2017 and you're like, all right, I got 6-7 years out of it, maybe I'll just swap it out with a new part. That's up to you. However, I think that the new part should be made out of steel. It's probably going to be made out of steel from the things that I've read. And at this point, there is no updated part number. There is no suitable replacement. And if you order these parts from Deere directly, you're just going to get the old part back. That's it. So save your money. It's only been 6 days since the stop sale, stop use order came out. I'm sure they're working on a fix. I don't work for Deere. I don't know. But I can't imagine they're just going to swap out a breaking recalled part with the same part. That doesn't make any sense. So at this point, save your money and wait for the updated part to come out. I've looked at my machine. It does look like a simple, easy, a simple part to swap out. And for me, I said, you know what, for $72, because it was on sale, you know what, I'm not going to waste my time with recalls and months and not use. I said, for $72, I'll just fix it myself. And I still will, probably, except you can't buy the parts. So that's it. That's the update right now. Keep the money in your pocket because there's no commercially available fix at this moment. Now, if Ken from Bolt on Hooks wants to get his lathe out and a little bit of welding action going on or some sort of metallurgy going on, I think most folks out there would probably cough up commensurate amount of money to what Deere charges for an upgrade, but to be able to get it now, no pressure, Ken. But I'm just saying that there's a market there. It's got to be hundreds of thousands of these machines out there that now all need to be fixed. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the viewership. Thanks for the new subscribers from the other night. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.